Looking good. We're tired, we're hungry, we want food. What's on the menu? Fish. There you go. I'm gonna save the skin. Nice one. Gonna try frying those up. A little bit of pin bones, but on Kokanee they're really soft, especially when you fry them up. So that's it, there's both sides. Up next we have some cutthroat trout. Let's give that a shot. So this is more of a red meat. Right, another one. That looks pretty good. So, do you want me to cut these in half portions? I guess so, eh? Okay, that's it. Skin off. Now, you still want to save the skin, babe, or no? You've got a lot of meat, actually. You can try it. Let's see what that tastes like. What are we gonna do? Shake and bake, $5 for 10, Costco. So Sammy made a sign for me. How many packs do you think? 3? I think 3.
You can have the fish. Hold on. Daddy's already starting, so it'll only take like 5 minutes.
Process, fish, shake and bake. Close the lid, close the bag, shake it up. Take the fish, fry it up. Fish, shake and bake, shake it up. In the pan. Looking good. Gotta process. If you can tell what fish is what.
Which one should I pick? I know. I'm gonna pick this one.
That one? Okay. There you go. Tammy, that lime is so small. That lemon is so small.
What? Which one?
No, it's hot already. Delicious.